Okay, this is the last video for 8.3 Guided Practice. We're on page number 4, numbers 13, 14, and 15. I'm going to skip down here to number 15. We had a perimeter question yesterday on our Guided Practice for day 2, and we did not go over that together on one of these videos, so I want to make sure we go over a perimeter question with you, okay? Perimeter. Remember, perimeter is adding all the sides. Add all sides. All right, so I'm going to take this side, this side, this side, and this side, and we're going to add them all together. That's what perimeter is, okay? So I know this side is 3 square root 27, which means this side is also 3 square root 27. Okay, I know this side is 5 square root 12. So I know this side also must be 5 square root 12. Okay, and we're going to add all these sides together. So I have 3 square root 27 plus 5 square root 12 plus 3 square root 27 plus 5 square root 12. Okay, now this is just a number. Okay, if you look back up here to number 12 or number 11 or number 8 or number 7. Okay, all of those are just, or number 1, all those are just numbers. Okay, so when we have a number, it's just very easy to check in Desmos. I'm going to type this all in. We have 3 square root 27 plus 5 square root 12 plus 3 square root 27 plus 5 square root 12. Okay, and that answer as a decimal is going to be 65.8179. All right, so that is the perimeter right there. But if you notice our answer choices, they are not in decimal form. They're in exact form, okay? So it's really easy to just check these. We're going to run down the line here. 38 square root 3. Look at that, 65.8179. So I believe this is the answer, letter A. I'm just going to quickly check the rest of them. We have 19 square root 6. That's 46.5. That's not the answer. All right, we have 19 square root 3. It's 32.9. That's not the answer. And we have 38 square root 6. It's 93. That's not the answer. All right, so our answer here is 38 square root 3. So really all you need to know for number 15 is that perimeter is adding all the sides. And then since these are just numbers, we could just use our Desmos to plug it in and see which one was the answer. All right, so that's number 15. All right, jumping back up here, I'm going to give you some hints for 13 and 14. I have a few more minutes. So we're going to go over some hints, and then I'm going to have you try 13 and 14, okay? 13, click on a box to choose an expression. You must select all correct expressions, so there could be more than one answer. Which expression would simplify to 3 root 6? All right, so quickly on Desmos here, well, we have 3 root 6, which is 7.3. 7.348. All right, so we need to check each of these boxes and see which ones are 7.348. So if I check the first one, we have parentheses, square root 6. Let's try that again. Parentheses, square root 6, parentheses, then another set of parentheses, square root 3. Okay, that's 4.24. So that is not an answer choice. All right, and you can just plug the rest of these in here. Plug all 5 of these in to Desmos and see which one is equal to your 7.348 there. Okay, so you need to finish this one, finish 13. And then number 14, simplify the expression. You have square root 5 times square root 10. Type the mixing number in the box below. There's supposed to be a box here. Box. Okay, so it's going to be a number that's out front. So what you need to do is you need to simplify that. Break down 5 and 10 and look for your groups of 2. All right, and remember your groups of 2 come out here on the outside. That's what's going to go in this box here. All right, so we went through 15, rectangle, the perimeter, and I gave you some hints on 13 and 14. go ahead and take a few minutes to finish 1314. And just remember, slide over here to the right and go ahead and show your Desmos check. All right.